If people are telling you to stop cracking your knuckles, or maybe you're telling other people to stop cracking their knuckles, you're wondering, is it bad or is it okay? That's a question I get pretty often. Well, here's the answer. It is okay. To be fair, there hasn't been rigorous study into the field of knuckle cracking, but available research shows that it's not a big deal at all. I will say this though, if you're going to crack your knuckles, do it with a hinge up and down. That's the way those joints are meant to move. Do not do it with a twist or a pull, because those joints are not meant to move that way.